First open a folder and go to C. Open your Program Files folder. Open the Epic Games folder. Open the Fortnite folder. Open the Fortnite game folder. Open the Binaries folder. Open the Win64 folder. Open the Battle I folder. Click on Uninstall Battle I. Press Yes. Press Yes. Press OK. Now click on Install Battle I. Press Yes. Now launch your game. First open a folder and go to C. Open your Program Files folder. Open the Epic Games folder. Open the Fortnite folder. Open the Fortnite game folder. Open the Binaries folder. Open the Win64 folder. Locate the game executables. Right-click Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Fullscreen Optimizations. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Right-click Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping.be.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Fullscreen Optimizations and then check Run as admin. Press Apply and then OK. Do the same with the other two executables. Open the Fortnite game folder. Open the Binaries folder. Open the Win64 folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Click on Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Press Yes. Click on Repair Service. Press Finish. Reopen Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click on Uninstall. Now press Install Easy Anti-Cheat. Press Finish. Now launch your game. If you get this error, first locate the executable that is causing trouble. Mine is lightingservice.exe, but yours could be different. To solve it, first press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Click on Task Manager. Click on More Details. Select the executable that is making you crash. Press End Task. Now launch your game. First open Start and type Notepad. Open Notepad. Now copy and paste the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on File. Click on Save As. In Save As type, select All Files. In File Name type, fix.reg. Press Save. Close your Notepad. Double-click your reg file. Press Yes. Press OK. Now launch your game. First open Start and type regedit. Open regedit. Press Yes. Expand H key local machine. Expand system. Expand CurrentControlSet. Expand control. Select GraphicsDrivers. Select TdrDelay. Right-click it and select Delete. Press Yes. Restart to apply the changes.